So, step 1 of the assignment, gather the leaves. And I think they're having a little too much fun doing it. Are you having too much fun doing it? You're having too much fun? If you're having too much fun, we can stop. You having fun?
Yeah! And the leaves is our treasure.
Interesting. Puppy's having fun too. So now we're on to step 2. First thing you do is you put the leaf on the table. You want a smooth surface and you want the leaf vein side up. Then you take the piece of paper and you place it carefully over the leaf. Holding the leaf with one hand, you have them color on the leaf with the crayon with the other one, basically making a leaf print. Don't move the paper, it will move the leaf and it will mess your picture up. Hold it down carefully. There you go. And since it's such a pretty fall day outside today, we're doing it outside at our picnic table, where we have room for all 4 of them to sit, and then we can block the gate up or block the porch up with the kennel as a gate. That way the dog can be out here with us and we can all be outside enjoying the pretty fall day today. Look at all those leaves on the ground. And then while they're coloring, I'm also going to be swiffering off the porch, getting some off the porch.
I have a paper.
Let's see how she's doing.
Green. I chose this one.
Darker colors usually show up better, so the dark pink actually makes it look really well. Sometimes yellows don't work as well, or you have to like scrub really hard, so I would definitely recommend using the darker colors with it. But she's doing a really good job with the dark pink. When you finish, you have your leaf print on there, and then we move on to step 3.